beginning with the thyroid gland. As you can see the clear structure here, this is the thyroid gland. Okay, can you see that? Okay. Location, okay, this is how we will divide location. First of all, it is bilobed, okay, 2 lobes it has, situated on the either side of the windpipe just below the larynx. Can you see that? Okay, next. Hormone which it produces is known as thyroxine. So, thyroid produce thyroxine. Is that clear? Okay. Function. Controls the metabolic rate, stimulates growth in infants. Very important. Okay, just in short, we are just summing up everything. Okay, controls the metabolic rate. So, whatever the metabolism of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, everything will be controlled by thyroxine. Okay, and also it is very important in small children, in infants, because it stimulates growth in them. You can see the highest growth rate is seen during that period. Okay, so in that period, this will play a very, very important role, that is thyroxine. If thyroid gland produces insufficient thyroxine, then what will happen? Okay, there will be some disease. Obviously, it will be needed in our body for the proper metabolism and for the growth of infants. Okay, these two are the functions in case. Okay, so if there is insufficient secretion of thyroxine from your thyroid glands, then there is a chance that you may develop a disease known as simple goitre, which is very common in India. Basically what happens, this is your thyroid gland, it gets enlarged, because of which there is a swelling in your neck. So your neck somewhat looks like this. Okay, so caused due to enlargement of thyroid. Now this thyroxine which is there, it is an iodine containing protein. We know all hormones are proteins, right? So it is an iodine containing protein. So if we eat iodized salts or if we have more iodine in our diet, we may not develop this kind of disease. Is that clear? Okay. So next is cretinism. What happens here? An ailment that brings about abnormal development in child. As we know, thyroxine is also related to the development in infants. Okay, we saw it is responsible for the growth in infants. So if it is not produced in sufficient or adequate quantity, then what will happen? This kind of disease you can see in children. Okay, and this kind of disease is known as cretinism, physical and mental retardation. Okay, they will not be physically fit, they will not be mentally fit. Is that clear? Okay, so serious problems can occur because of that. And then is mixed edema. What is this mixed edema? Is a condition seen in an adult. When we talk about children, it is cretinism. Okay, in adult, because of the insufficient amount of thyroxine, basically what happens? Swelling. As you can see how the face has been swelled up. Can you see? Swelling on face, on legs, on hands, everywhere you can see this swelling just because of small quantities of thyroxine. Okay, produced by the thyroid gland. So these kind of disease you can observe. Okay, and if there is over secretion, hyperthyroidism, which is really very, very common now. Okay, among all the ladies around. So that is causes enlargement of the gland first of all. So they get this double chin. Okay, so one thing is there. An increased metabolic rate, increased heartbeat, this is really very common. Okay, and most of the time, sometimes the people will gain weight here and here people will lose weight. If this is a healthy adult, then this is one person with hyperthyroidism, the eyes are bulging out. Can you see that? Eyes are bulging out, everything goes inside, there is a loss of weight because there is a increased metabolic, whatever you are eating is getting metabolized quickly. Okay, sometimes till optimum level it is okay, but when it is extreme, what happens? Whatever you are eating, you are not getting enough nutrition out of it. Okay, so that is because of the over secretion of thyroxine from the thyroid glands. अगर आपको इस चैप्टर का कंप्लीट वीडियो चाहिए तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर व्हाट्सएप करें। ऐसे ही और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल होम रिवाइज को सब्सक्राइब करें।